Hello beauties, thanks so much for clicking and welcome back to this channel. If you're new, welcome. So in this video I'm going to review this beautiful U-part wig from Afsisterwig. I'll leave the details in the comment section down below just in case you're interested. So the wig came in this beautiful box and this is the wig right from the box. It has 3 combs on the parting, one at the back. It also has an adjustable strap just to make it more secure, and also it has clips on the sides again just to make it more secure. The wig came with 2 caps and an elastic band. So I'm going to show you 2 ways in which you can wear this wig, side parting and mid parting. I'll first of all start with side parting. In the story of our lives. So what you're going to do is to divide the hair on the side to create a side parting and leave generous amount of hair so that, you know, when you insert the clips or the combs in your hair, like the tracks are not seen. Like when you cover the hair, your tracks are not seen. The best of times through color glass. For this style, I advise you to braid your hair instead of just like, you know, holding your hair like this, just to make it like more secure on your head, to make the wig more secure on your head. You can do 5-6 lines. Just make sure the lines are flat, and then you're going to insert the combs in the cornrows. So another thing that you're supposed to note is insert the combs towards the same direction that it is facing. If the combs are facing like backwards, make sure that when you insert it in your hair, insert it backwards. It creeps on back to shade my smile. And if you want someone to think like, you know, it's your own hair, make sure you leave some hair like in front, you know, to make it look more natural or to make it look like it's your own. My flat iron just stopped working, and that's why I decided to use this hot comb. But then if you have 4C hair, or if your hair is so thick and kinky, make sure you flat iron it long enough to make it blend with the wig. Just comment down below if you love it like this as a side parting or mid parting. I'm going to show you in a few. I was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass. Time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back. So for mid parting, again, you have to leave a generous amount of hair in the middle to shade my smile. And then I'll braid your hair. I advise you to braid like 6, 7 or 8 lines. I braided 4 lines only. The middle part because I want to, just in case I cover my track and like I feel like, you know, I've not covered it enough, like someone might see it, I can just like, you know, pick some more hair from the back and cover the tracks. So that's why I just left the middle part. I didn't braid it. Down to the ground, you're dragging me.
It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you. Tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right.
I inserted the combs on the parting, 3 of them, and then the clips on the sides as well and at the back. Like, it felt so secure. I feel like the wig is so secure on my head. So guys, if your hair is 4C, make sure you flatten it long enough just to make it blend with the wig, because you want it to look natural. This wig is good for those people who just want, you know, their wigs to look natural, or they don't love, you know, laces.
Cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you. Tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth.
So this is 5 minutes later and I love how flat it is. So guys, just comment down below if you love it like this, like mid parting or side parting. And also, again, if you're interested in this wig, I'll leave the details in the description box down below from Afsisterwig, and contact them and you'll get this beautiful U-part wig. That was it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you learned something from this video, or if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also remember to check the description box down below for more details on this wig. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.